Hello, beautiful people. Today we have to create a challenge, a painting, Damien Hirst dotted painting. This is a painting, guys. This is the painting. Guess the selling price of dots. I will show you right here. All right, let's move on because that's a bit crazy. So let's see what's okay. We have this thing. I will take off that thing, that function. Okay, other than that, I'll take the screen size, color mode. Yeah, we good. Now I have to create a tuple, a list, and inside that list we need tuples. Oh. Wait a second, actually I think I can append this guy. We don't need... I will leave it like that and I will say here. Okay, I will say color list dot append items, even though RGB. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Now, if we take the color list, let me think. So I can say here t dot dot size will be actually no, that's okay. And I will say okay, let's see. Okay, I like it. If I say, for instance, let's say 30. Let's say here forward 10. Good. Good. Okay. All right, I like it. All right, I like it, like it. All right, I like it, like it. All right, I like it, like it. All right, I like it. Forward 100. Oh, really? All right, I like it, like it. I'll go 10 then. 10, 10, 10, 10. All right, I like it, like it. All right, I like it, like it. All right, I like it. All right, love it. All right. $220 was good. Actually, maybe $230. No, let's leave it $220, which I liked. And I say here, move forward 50. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love it, love it, love it. Set heading, down, 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 down. Set heading, 90, 90, 90. Oh, wow. 90, 90, 90. Move forward, move forward, move forward. 50. Left. Wait a second. I can say move forward 200. Move forward 200. Yeah. Bam. Ooh, not 998, say. Seven, Oh my god, really? I love it, love it, love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, more. 3. More. 4. Alright. Love it, love it, love it. I love That guy is not good. That guy is not good. Which means... Okay, but I want one more. I like it, like it, like it. I like it, like it, like it. Okay, now I like it, like it. I like it, like it, like it. Great. Okay, so I set this up, guys, for today. That was it. A super quick video. This is the beginning of my code. Tomorrow I will finish it and I will draw, I don't know, we'll see tomorrow how many dots we'll draw. For now I have only 10. I don't know, maybe we'll multiply it by 10. So beautiful people, see you today. Have a great day and bye.